Well, continuing coverage on a Sunday night shooting now in Evansville. It's been investigated. It's now being investigated as a murder after the victim has died. According to Evansville police, the victim was an 18-year-old man. They say he was found on the front porch of a home with several gunshot wounds in the 300 block of Madison Avenue. This happened about 9 o'clock last night. That victim then died at the hospital. Right now, the victim's name and cause of death still has not been released by the Vanderburgh County coroner. Police tell us there have been no arrests at this time. Now, according to police records, the murder appears to be gang-related. We keep following this, and we'll let you know what we find out.